naked. Okay, welcome back everybody. Okay, what was it? Right. So we are now in the R2D2 chair setup. I have literally had this thing since I was 3. Love this chair. Love it to death. And I made myself a little... Yay! We like Lefty. So I was recently out just shopping, messing around, and I found a bunch of completely random stuff. Most of this looks kind of disgusting, if I'm gonna be perfectly honest. I think this speaks for me. But we're trying it today. What the heck are lychee? So I was researching these just a bit, and evidently lychee is supposed to be some kind of a tree nut, but it's not actually. I'm just very, very interested in these. Very curious. Calpico. Calpico. What the heck? It's citrusy, milky water. And no, I am... You know what? I didn't buy that. Don't say it. And here we have Pu-chow? Pu-chow. And then to top it off, the dreaded pickle juice. I literally have goosebumps right now. I'm scared. First off. Okay. Resealable package. Nice. Oh, struggling. Oh, they smell really nice. Very fruity. Gummy. They're like an island. Don't Google it, they're disgusting, but it looks like an island. Okay guys, these are actually really good. They smell amazing. I can smell it through my eye. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely get these. I can save them for later, that's awesome. Cool. And now on to the forbidden milk water. Yeah, that's right, I paid $5 for this. Oh. Guys, I can't find my straw. Oh, there it is. Here we are. Tell my story. Y'all are gonna hate me, but I actually like it. I was expecting this to be terrible, but it's actually not bad. Yeah, there's definitely a weird milky taste to it. Don't take that out of context. Am I going to buy it again? No, because it's like $6. Yeah, well that was interesting. Boo. Ka-chow! It's got blue stripes. Interesting. Very tough. It's very chewy. Ow. Okay, if something could be like water flavored. It's so weird. I don't know how to describe it. Oh my gosh, it's not getting any smaller. My room smells so nice because of all these snacks. Oh my gosh. Especially the lychee, it smells really nice. Okay, so I heard they use this as like a hydration thing, but it sounds disgusting. Just absolutely disgusting. So, just in case, we brought in Mr. Trashbin, and Yeah, ye old paper towels. Okay. Screw this. Literally. Oh. That is the smell of no-no juice. Here goes nothing. Oh. Ugh. It's definitely dill. It's very dill. It's never again. Where'd I put the cap? It smells like pickles. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Hope to see you later. Bye! Now go be productive. Ah.